Unlock the secret to maximizing your advertising success with a metric called ROAS. It's powerful and essential. Return on ad spend, known as ROAS, shows the revenue earned for every dollar spent on advertising. Calculating ROAS is simple, enabling you to fine-tune marketing strategies and boost overall revenue effectively. Understanding ROAS requires knowing both your advertising spend and the revenue generated from those campaigns. To determine a good ROAS, aim for percentages above 100%, indicating you're earning more than you're spending. For instance, an online shop spending $2,000 on ads to earn $6,000 showcases a remarkable 300% ROAS. While a 4-to-1 ratio is ideal, the right ROAS varies based on your business goals and advertising budgets. Employing ROAS can transform your business by analyzing marketing efforts and identifying which strategies resonate with customers. Track your ROAS trends to make informed decisions, adjusting strategies for continuous improvement in your advertising campaigns. Remember, a higher ROAS reflects a stronger bond with your audience, boost trust and recognition for lasting impact.